Good morning, all of you. I am Razia Patan from Nanmaji Vidyapit, standard 5th. So, students, today we'll start revision. In that revision, we'll start lowest common multiples LCM. Lowest common multiples LCM. So, finding the LCM of the two numbers using the prime factor. Finding the LCM of the two numbers using the prime factors. So in them, for example, find the LCM of the 6 and 9 using prime factors. So here we have to follow the steps. What we have to do? First we write the first number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, फर्स्ट नंबर है उसको हम एज अ प्रोडक्ट प्राइम फैक्टर्स में लिखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट नंबर इज अ 6. 2 3 6, करेक्ट. देन step number 2 is write the second number as the products of the its prime factors. So in that 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Step 3, circle the common factors and write them the below ones. So in that 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So common factors is equal to 3 is there. Common factor is equal to 3 is there. Now, step number 4, also write down the factors that are not common. Now, what we have to do? 3 is there, so 3 is a common factor, and non-common factors are which one is that? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are 2 and 3 are non-common factors. Factors that are not common. Now step number 5 is this factors to find the LCM. So LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 is equal to 80. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 80. Okay. Now write it down this in your rough book, everyone. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Next question is find the LCM of the given pairs of the numbers using the prime factors. Prime factors का use करके हमें क्या find करना है? What we have to find? LCM, lowest common factors. Okay. So we'll start that. In that, here we have to write standard 5th. Revision, unit number 5th. Unit number 5th. Then we'll write question number 3rd. Find the LCM of the given pairs of numbers using prime factors. In that, A1 sum is 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 8 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 into 2 into 8. So, in that, lowest common factors is, which one is that? 2, 2 and 2. So here we'll write 2 into 2 into 2. Because of the, we have to write the common factors also and non-common factors also. So common factors are 2 and 2. Non-common factors is also 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Answer is LCM is equal to 8. This is the answer. Now look at this sum 71 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now next one sum B1. 8 and 10 is there. 8 and 10 is there. So here we have to write 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 10. 5 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. Same, both are same. So in that, which one is a common factors? Common factors is a 2. Common factor is a 2. So in that, here we have to write LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So in that, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 15. 8 5s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. LCM is equal to 40. This is the correct answer. Here we have to write LCM is equal to 40. This is the correct answer. Then next question, C1 sum is 12 and 15 is there. 12 and 15 is there. So we'll write here answer. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 15 is equal to 15 is equal to 3 5s are 15 is there. 3 5s are 15 is there. So in this, common factors are 2 and only 3 is there. Correct? Common factors are 3 is there. But here we have to write LCM is equal to common factors and non-common factors. So first we have to write the common factor is a 3. Now non-common factors are, which one is there? 2 and 5. So we have to write here 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 16. 12 5s are 16. So answer is 16. So what we have to write here? LCM is equal to LCM is equal to 16. 16 is a correct answer. Got it? So now, student, look at this both the sums. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. So in that next sum is 10 and 18s are there. So here we have to write answer. 10 is equal to 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 18 is equal to 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So in this, common factors are 2. Which one is a common factors? 2 are there. So here we have to write LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Why we are writing this all? Because of the first we have write two common factors. So common factors are 2 and then we'll write the non-common factors. So non-common factors are 3, 3 and 5 is there. Now we have to multiply these factors. So in that 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 18 5s are 90 is there. So here we have to write 90. What we have to write? 90. So here LCM is equal to 90 is the answer. This is the answer. Look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Now next sum is even sum. 16 and 24 is there. 16 and 24 is there. So in that we have to write the answer. 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Why we are writing like this? Because of 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16. Then next number is a 24 is there. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. In that we have to find, in this both we have to find what we have to find, common factors of the multiples. Common factors of the multiples. So in that 2, again this 2, 2 and 2. Non-common factors are 2 and 3 is there. So here we have to write LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So answer will be what was the answer is there? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48. So we have to write here 48. LCM is equal to 48. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now what was your homework is? Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 17 and worksheet number 18. Complete that worksheet and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करके आप लोगों को क्या करना है, वर्कशीट है बिफोर 3 o'clock WhatsApp ग्रुप में सेंड करना है. ओके एवरीवन, आई होप सो योर वर्क इज कंप्लीट. बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.